Which of the following represents a termination step in the radical bromination of methane? So in radical reactions, we have three types of steps. Initiation. So these are steps that initially form radicals. So you would have no radicals in your starting materials, and you would have radicals in the product. Propagation does exactly what it sounds. It propagates the reaction. So you start with a radical and form a new radical. And then finally, termination steps are steps where two radicals combine. And so what that does, we call it a termination step, because when your two radicals come together, you're overall decreasing your concentration of radicals. So if we take a look at these A, you see two radicals coming together and you don't have any radicals in the product. So that is most certainly your termination step. And that's what we were asked for. For practice, let's go ahead and label these other steps. So in B, we see bromine with no radicals undergoing this homolytic bond cleavage to give us two bromine radicals. So this is an initiation step. If we look at C, we start with a bromine radical, and it's forming a bond with hydrogen, so taking away that radical, but then forming a new radical on carbon. So this is a propagation step. And if we look at D, we see bromine, molecular bromine, reacting with a carbon radical to form methyl bromide or bromomethane and a bromine radical. So one radical forming another radical. This is again a propagation step.